Hello everyone, my name is Zaza Melikidze. I'm from Georgia, from Rustavi. Today is 23rd of April, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. My project is a web application which is created using Python's framework Flask. It's a quiz application which uses questions from Open Trivia database. Users first need to be registered by entering username, password, and password confirmation. I'm already registered, and so I only need to log in. On the home page, there are the results of all the quizzes I've taken already. In the quiz section, users can choose category and difficulty of a quiz. Then application sends request to Open Trivia database and fetches a quiz of 10 questions. Now we can start answering the questions. When we are done, application displays our score, stores it in database, and inserts our result in results table on the home page. In best results section, we see the best overall results for each category and difficulty. Here, users can change their passwords and finally log out. That's all, and thanks for watching.